This tutorial shows you how to integrate various apps with Jupyter. Some apps, like Google Classroom, let you automatically import scores, while other apps only insert a link. First, go to Setup, Apps, and click Add App. Search for it by name, click it, then click Add. Do this in admin mode if you have a school account for your app. Do this in teacher mode if you have an individual account just for you, or if you are a teacher adding Google Classroom. We'll show Google Classroom for the rest of this tutorial. Now, to use the app, first create an assignment. Then click Attach and select the app. The next prompt depends on the type of app. For Google Classroom, the first time you do this, it will ask you to log in and allow Jupyter to access your information. Say yes to all the prompts, otherwise it will not work properly. Next, pick the Google class to match your Jupyter class. Then pick the Google assignment. Then make sure all your students in Google are matched to Jupyter. Jupyter naturally remembers all these settings, so ultimately when adding new assignments, the only step you'll need to do is to pick the assignment from Google. Then click Done. Now, on your assignment screen, you'll see a Google column with the scores found in Google Classroom. Click Apply Scores to copy them all to your gradebook, or click each Google score to apply it individually. The Google Score column updates every 10 minutes, or click Update to refresh it sooner. To change your settings, click here. When students log into Jupyter and look at the assignment, they will see a Google Classroom button to open the assignment in Google.